Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome, my dear students. Let's today start to answer a chemistry paper 4 for IGCSE students, grade 10 students, okay, and also may grade 9 students take a great benefit from this. Okay, firstly, there is some instructions about the exam. You must use your dark blue pen, okay, and also you can use HP pencil for any diagram or graphs, and also don't use staples, paper clips, glue, and so on. Okay, let's move to the first question asking us about periodic table and is talking about period 3. As you know, period 3 elements: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, and silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Firstly, we have to read the question all. لازم نقرأ السؤال كويس. Answer the following question using only these elements. So, we have to use only those elements. يعني don't use any elements outside this period. Each element may be used once more. يعني any element, okay, may be used many times. Firstly, is a gas at room temperature and pressure. Which is gas here? Okay, as you know, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, all of those are metals. Are what? Metals. They are metals. Argon, chlorine, all those are gases. Group 8 and group 7. Group 8, inert gas. And group 7, which is halogen. And first group. Okay, and those are non-metal or solid non-metal. Solid non-metal. Okay, solid non-metal. So let's move to the question. Is a gas at room temperature and pressure? At room temperature and pressure, argon is a gas and chlorine also is a gas at room temperature and pressure. يبقى chlorine and argon, both of them are gases at room temperature. Okay, يبقى argon and chlorine. Okay, next question. Forms a basic oxide with formula of X2O. Okay, basic oxide here we are talking about metal. About what? About metal. So, because metals react with oxygen to give basic oxide. This from the properties of all metals. So, which metal can give X2O? The metal which give X2O, as you know, first group elements, okay, has valency, such as sodium, for example. It has valency positive 1, and oxygen has the valency of 2. So after make cross, okay, the formula will be Na2O. So sodium will be the right choice. Sodium will be the right choice. Sodium will be the right choice. So we can write here sodium. Sodium. Okay. So we now understood why we chose sodium as our answer. If we choose magnesium, for example, let's explain it. If we choose magnesium, okay, we will write magnesium and oxygen. We have reaction between magnesium and oxygen. The result compound here, formula, okay, magnesium has 2 electrons. It is group 2. It has outer shell, has 2 electrons, okay, and oxygen 2. So 2 will be cancelled with 2 and the formula will be MgO. So the formula will be XO, not X2O. So magnesium will be wrong. And this is why I chose sodium. I explained it again to illustrate the answer. Okay, here sodium. Let's move to question number 2. Is made of atoms which have a full outer shell of electron. Elements which have outer shell of electrons, full of electrons. Okay, only group 8 elements. Group 8 elements. We called it noble gases or inert gases. Okay, so group 8 elements or group 8 elements. Argon outer shell consists of 2, 4, 8 electrons. 2 electrons or 8 electrons. يبقى argon. Argon. Form an oxide which cause acid rain. Yes. Acid rain. We have some elements which cause acid rains. Okay, acid rains from its name. This acid rain is H2SO4 sulfuric acid, which burns skin. Okay, this acid rain is result from the reaction between water and sulfur. Okay, which result from industry. Okay, so sulfur here, the element which cause acid rain, sulfur. Is excreted from bauxite. Okay, bauxite, as you know, the ore material for making aluminum. For making what? Aluminum. You have to memorize it well because it will come at the next exam, inshallah. Bauxite is Al2O3. This the formula of the ore bauxite, which is used in extracting or producing aluminum. So the element here will be what we have not here, aluminum. Okay, no, we have here aluminum. Yes, so bauxite here, the answer is aluminum. Aluminum. Let's move to the next question. Forms of an oxide which has macromolecular structure. Macromolecular structure. When we talked about bonding, we said that SiO2, silicon dioxide, okay, and also diamond. All of those elements has a macromolecular structure. Macromolecular structure because they form a tetrahedral shape. They form a tetrahedral shape. Okay, they form a tetrahedral shape. SiO2. Each silicon atom attached to oxygen, okay, and so on, form tetrahedral structure. We call them a giant structure. SiO2 is a common compound such as diamond in the chapter of bonding or in the topic of bonding. SiO2 form giant structure or macromolecule. So silicon is our right answer. Okay. Yes, silicon. The last question here, he asked us about the atom or the element which consists of diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecules here means the atom consists as Cl2 or Br2, O2. All of those are diatomic molecules. So we cannot find chlorine on the earth or in the bottle as Cl only. It is wrong. Or oxygen in air is found as O2. not oxygen. Okay, monoatomic, it is wrong. So, but remember, noble gases such as argon group 8 elements are not found as diatomic, only monoatomic. It is the exception. Okay, so let's move to atoms which are element chlorine. Chlorine. Thank you, my friends. Inshallah, see you again at the next session. Okay, thank you.